morning po mga kababayan, ma'am sir. This is Jam, the Filipino channel ng inyo pong lingkod. So today is April 22, 2026 at tayo ngayon ay pupunta dyan sa may SNR, Bonifacio Global City, Taguig. At dadalhin po natin yan sa may Bougainvillea, Barangay Pimbo po yan, Taguig. Okay, so magbabalik po tayo mamaya konti po pag nakuha na po natin sila. Left turn with caution on green. Disclaimer lamang po, ang content po natin ay kalsada at hindi ang passenger. Kaya nga naman sakasakali mo po na may marinig kayo mga pangalan ng lugar, pangalan ng tao, pangalan ng organizations ay wala pong kinalaman ng channel nito at wala pong pinapatukulan. Makinig tayo ng mga magbabagong balita at talakayan na ho.
Next sa page 10 ng Annex H, mayroong cash deposit na halagang 1,750,617.84 sa pangalan ni Sara Duterte noong March 3, 2011. Next, the fourth one, sa page 11 naman po ng Annex H, mayroong debit memo sa halagang mahigit 2 milyon 2,1,563.86 sa pangalang Sebastian Duterte, sa account ni Sebastian Duterte, Sara Duterte, Paulo Duterte, Elizabeth Duterte.
Ingat kayo dyan, love na love ko kayo. Work lang si daddy, love na love ko yung anak kong maganda, love na love ko kayo nila mami.
Annex H,
Daming kiss
naman po. Another example, mayroong credit memo sa halagang 10,374,307.49 sa pangalang Sara Duterte at Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Kasama rin ho ba ito sa mga flat transactions? I wish to point out, Madam Chair, na sa pagpili ko po dito ng mga parang mga random entries ay hindi ko na po siyempre sinama yung mga napili ko rin doon sa Annex A and Annex B dahil ito nga pong Annex H is already the master table. Senator Trillanes, sa paragraph 23 po ng inyong sinumpaang salaysay, nabanggit nyo rin na base sa impormasyong inyong nakalap, tumanggap ng pera o nag-encash ng cheque si Sara Duterte at iba pang miyembro ng kanyang pamilya mula sa isang kilalang drug lord na si Sammy Uy o Samuel Uy. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
At ito ay naka-attach bilang Annex I ng inyong affidavit. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
May we flash again, may we flash also, Madam Chair, Annex I on the screen. Secretary, kindly flash Annex I. Annex I of the affidavit, please. Secretariat, please flash. Secretariat is requesting for a few minutes. There. Okay. Alala ko rin po, nabanggit nyo, na itong mga transaksyon na ito, mga entries na ito, para na ang recipient ay si Sara Zimmerman Duterte, Rodrigo Roa Duterte, Sebastian Duterte, Paulo Duterte, at Shelito Avancenia na supposedly galing kay Samuel Uy, kilalang drug lord na si Samuel Sasami o Samuel Uy. Mga nasa manager's checks po ito. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
At kapansin-pansin din po, na karamihan ng entries dito, kasama na yung parang yung kung saan ang recipient ay si Sara Zimmerman Duterte, uniform amount. Di ho ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kay Sara Duterte, yung dated March 17, 2011, October 25, 2011, and April 24, 2011, lahat po yun, yung tatlo na yun, ay in the amounts of 7,440,800 846.07 uniform amount.
Yes, Your Honor. And same with the one of Digong Duterte as well.
Yeah, two of the three
Yeah, two of the
kay Digong Duterte, Rodrigo Duterte. Ganon din yung para kina Sebastian Duterte, mga uniform amounts in manager's checks.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ganon din po yung kay Paulo Duterte, uniform amounts. Yung kay Sebastian Duterte po, uniform amounts of 10,316,592.68 or 0.18 or 0.68. At yung kay Paulo Duterte, uniform amounts of 9,703,609.39. At yung naman kay Shelito Abansenia, uniform amounts din po, limang entries po ito, 10,655,371.81. Tama po ba?
Doon po sa kay Hanilet Abansenia, same po yung last three, pero yung first two, less than 1 peso and 50 centavos.
Okay.
Parang ganun po.
Halos pareho.
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Opo.
At i-point out ko lang, Your Honor, na makikita nyo yung pattern ng deposito. Kaya tinawag ko ito na dividendo dahil ano po, meron pong pattern yung pag-deposit nila o pag-encash ng manager's check ng April or March tapos October. So, ganun palagi po yung pattern niya. Every 6 or 7 months
Ang pagpasok.
nagbibigay po ng dividendo through manager's check na ang account owner po dito ay si Sammy Uy. Siya po ang
Siya ang account
siya po ang
owner.
account owner. Nag-issue siya ng manager's check sa pangalan po nitong mga bawat miyembro ng pamilya Duterte, Your Honor.
So lahat manager's check at ang pangalan ng account Samuel Uy.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sa AMLAC naman po, ang gusto ko lang pong ipa-confirm ay yung tatlo na entries para kay Sara Zimmerman Duterte. AMLAC, please take note. Nandyan po, naka-flash po yan sa annex sa Annex I, yung kay Sara Duterte, yung tatlo po na ang mga amounts ay 7,446,846.07. Yung una po, pumasok ng March 17, 2011. Yung pangalawa po, manager's check din at same amount noong October 25, 2011. At yung pangatlo po, parehong amount noong 24 April 2012. So yun po ang gusto ko po sanang ikumpirma ng AMLAC kung kasama sila doon sa listahan, doon sa mga suspicious transactions.
AMLAC, please signify once you're ready to answer. And please limit your answer to the queries of the Honorable De Lima as to whether or not they are part of your report. That is to be consistent to the nature of our proceeding. Honorable De Lima.
Madam Chair,
With the indulgence of Honorable De Lima.
may I just
Madam Chair?
ask a clarificatory question to the AMLC?
The Honorable TJ is recognized. They are busy going over the records.
Opo. Teka, kaugnay nga niyan kasi pinapakonfirm po ni Rep. Lima kung yung mga transaction na yan na nasa affidavit ni former Senator Trillanes ay mahahanap dun sa report ng AMLC. Again, pakiklaro lang po, kung sa report nyo on inflows and outflows to, for example, the account of Sara Duterte, yun po, does that include account of Sara Duterte jointly with others? Ibig sabihin, pati yung mga hindi lang solong account niya, that is correct. So, posibleng, are you at liberty to disclose as well kung anong mga joint account ito o hindi? Kasama po ba sa report? Honest lang po, nabanggit po Joint account with Rodrigo Duterte. Kasama ko ba?
Madam Chair, in our report, our focus was on the transaction.
Mayaw ka.
There are some accounts that were mentioned, but they are not identified on the basis of the personality. So as we mentioned earlier, we're not really looking at the personalities, we're looking at the flow of money. So when we analyze, it's more on the money trail.
So in other words, kasama yung mga joint accounts with other
Carefully indicated, but we cannot say that all of them.
Thank you.
Ano
Madam
na
Chair, to the Honorable
Ano yung ano na naman?
Honorable De Lima, you may continue.
While waiting for the confirmation from the AMLAC on those entries that I indicated, I wish to ask questions on another matter.
This is also for Senator Triana, for ABLA. AMLC,
Doon po sa mga submissions nyo sa committee, meron po ba kayong sinubmit na document, confidential information sharing?
Nasipo po po niya.
Confidential information sharing.
Si ano lang hindi. Hindi yan. Pare silang gab-gab.
Yes, Madam
Pero
Chair.
si gab-gab,
Great.
aram
Let's
naman si
keep the
gab-gab.
one flashed earlier.
Ay,
The confidential information sharing. Ito po ba yung
may mga
the
kaya lagay
document
lipat na
consisting of
sila.
15 pages
That is correct, Madam
Lipat
Chair.
na sila.
and the subject of this confidential information sharing as subject number 1, Sara Zimmerman Duterte, and subject number 2, Attorney Manasseh Reyes Cambio.
That is correct, Madam Chair.
Can we ask you, Mr. Executive Director,
Di ako magkapaka.
to read for us?
speak closer to the microphone, Tom.
Can we ask you po to read for us
Pagkatapos ko doya, nag-ikot naman ako doya, dalawa ko kaikot niya sa park.
of that confidential information
Tapos dalawa
sharing
mo ako kaikot niya park.
under the caption derogatory records involving subject number 1, Sara Zimmerman Duterte? Can you please read for the record?
Based on records, derogatory records, number 14, VP Sara was the subject of suspicion in 27 confidential report submitted by covered persons 2 August 2024 to 29 January 2026, citing suspected activities involving drug trafficking and related offenses, graft and corrupt practices, and malversation of public funds and property. Drug trafficking and related offenses were triggered in connection with the House Quad Committee hearing on former President Rodrigo Duterte's war on drugs, as well as by news reports alleging the involvement of VP Sara's husband in the 6.4 billion shabu importation in 2017. Graft and corrupt practices / malversation of public funds. There are in relation to news articles related to the impeachment case filed against VP Sara in 2025, as well as alleged misuse of confidential / intelligence funds.
Pwede po ba ma-flash din po yan sa screen?
Do we know what particular page this is?
Paragraph
Page 6. Madam.
Page 6 of 15.
Paragraph
14.
14, page 6.
Yan po. Medyo, hindi ko masyadong, mabilis ko kasi masyado yung pagkakabasa kanina na Executive Director. So, I give it proper na ipakita po dyan. So, the derogatory record at merong sinasabing suspected activities involving drug trafficking and related offenses, graft and corrupt practices, and malversation of public funds and property. So is this, can we say that this is actually a product of the financial investigation? Pag nakalagay po, pag meron po kayong ganitong confidential information sharing, galing po saan ito?
This one is reported by the banks, by the covered person.
By the covered institution as reported to you, reported to the MLC.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Can we also ask you to read for the record and also to be flashed on the screen, Madam Chair? Paragraph 36, page 15 of the last page of this document.
Paragraph 36, page 15.
Can we ask the Honorable Executive Director to also read for the record as it is flashed on the screen?
Derogatory records 36. Attorney Carpio was the subject of suspicion in 17 confidential reports submitted by covered persons on 14 September 2017 to 25 April 2025, citing suspected activities involving drug trafficking and related offenses and malversation of public funds and property. The drug trafficking and related offenses triggered in connection with the news report on alleged involvement in the 6.4 billion Shabu importation in 2017. Malversation of public funds triggered by news articles in relation to his wife, Sarah, alleged misuse
Diyan
of
ako sa yan,
confidential
ko,
slash
tapos
intelligence
pagkapit
funds.
ko diya sa pantali ko sa mga
Yun yung traffic na siya.
Diyan ko ang isda.
Nailagay na ito'y na derogatory record
Diretso ka doon
involving
sa
the
iya
two
kay
subjects of your confidential information sharing.
Based on records, yes, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you. Is AMLA ready to answer the questions regarding transaction subject of confirmation? Whether or not the same appear in the AMS report submitted to this committee. Are you ready? If you need more time, then we may proceed to other resource persons. Are you ready?
We are ready partially, Madam Chair, so we can
Okay. Please mention first the amount and then whether it's part or not of your report.
for Annex Madam Chair, to clarify, I am not confirming the report provided by, I mentioned earlier because I am not seeing whatever the sources of report. What I'm telling is there is a movement of funds on this particular date as reported to us, which is based on the covered transaction or suspicious transaction.
Can we flash again Annex? Is that Annex 8? Annex 8.
Kasi maliko.
To be responsive to the request of the Honorable De Lima, can you at least say whether that transaction is part of the report of AMLP? Kasama po ba itong transaction na ito sa report ng AMLP na sinumite dito sa Justice Committee?
Madam Chair, given that we are only given limited information, I cannot confirm, for example, what's the nature of the transfer, where is the address, and so on. So what
We are not inquiring as the nature of the transfer, just whether or not that amount appears as well in the report of AMLP.
I can confirm, Madam Chair, if there is a movement of funds on that same date with the same amount involving the same.
That will be enough. That will be enough.
So for
Congratulations.
pag sinabi po rin may movement, ibig sabihin, may deposit, no?
From
one transaction to another. Yes.
Madam, ibig sabihin, may deposito
na ganitong amount
sa
isang bangko
UP Visayas
pumasok
is
sa isang bangko. Tama po ba?
Biology course niya.
Ay! Mabigat. Double check mo, baka may nalaglag.
On meaning the Wednesday, there is a transaction in the amount of 2,105,580.86 pesos. Nagkatapos,
Third transaction is here.
we informed that there is a transaction on May 14, 2008 in the amount of 2,114,140.
Here's the bill. I'll give you the report.
That's the fifth one for Madam Chair. That's the last.
So far we have 13 out of 13 transactions that have been selected by the similar transactions in the AMLC report. Ready to continue, AMLC?
Madam Chair, may we ask the Congressman De Lima if we can get again the account in Annex A? We were not able to jot down.
Annex A.
Yes po. These are also 5 transactions. Number 9, page 1 of Annex A. 55,131,747.32, March 28, 2014. Got it po? The second one po. Number 16, page 1. 41,721,035.62, October 7, 2013. Third, randomly selected entry at page 3. Number 44, page 3. Amount of 53,817,613.48, February 25, 2010. Fourth, at page 4, number 60, amount of 52,485,191.85, April 14, 2009. And the fifth one,
yan.
also at page 4, number 64, 49,281,009.98, May 22, 2007. 5 randomly selected entries from Annex A, joint account of Rodrigo Duterte and Sara Duterte.
Kumaliwa sa bayabas.
Do you need more
Kumaliwa
time?
sa JP Rizal Extension.
Ready to answer?
Yes, Madam
You
Chair.
may proceed.
We confirm that for all the dates and amounts mentioned, there are similar transactions existing in the AMLC report.
Okay. What annex is this again?
Annex A.
So 5 out of 5 transactions randomly selected by Honorable De Lima from Annex A is confirmed by the AMLC, at least that similar transactions appear in their report. Are there any other subject of confirmation? No more.
Marami po kasi ito, that's why I just randomly selected 5 from each of the annexes.
So in total, how many transactions have been confirmed?
There are 4 annexes, so 5
Pagkaraan ng
20
700 metro.
Plus 3.
Kumanan sa
Plus
190.
3.
San
So
Guillermo.
total of 23 transactions were subject matter of request for confirmation.
Kasama na po doon yung 3, which is coming with. So 20.
23 out of 23.
Oh, 18. Sorry po, 18. Because Annex A, Annex B, Annex H, and Annex I. So 4, 3 times 5, 1 is only 3. So 18.
Do you confirm that? Total of 18 transactions?
We informed earlier that there are 18 transactions mentioned that
Okay.
what we mentioned are existing in our report.
So
This
for
is
the
our-
record, 18 out of 18
Pagkaraan ng
transactions
500 metro.
randomly selected
Kumanan sa
from the
190.
annexes
San
of
Guillermo.
Sinumpang Salaysay of Honorable Trillanes were confirmed by the AMLC, at least to the extent that similar transactions appear in their report. That is for the record. Honorable De Lima, do you have further clarificatory questions?
Just a manifestation, Madam Chair, so nakita po natin na na-confirm po ng ABLAC yung mga entries na randomly selected from the annexes. gusto ko rin i-put on record po, Madam Chair, na actually marami po ito. But that's it, because of lack of time, I just opted to ask for 5 from the 3 annexes and 3 from the other annex. Pero marami po. Sa Annex A po, there are a total of 71 entries. Annex B, Annex A, by the way, is the Rodrigo Duterte, Sara Duterte bank transactions. Annex B, which is the Sara Duterte Manscarpio bank transactions, a total of 47, I'm sorry, 47. Annex H, the master list, the data, the main record, the master, the table of all already of the accounts here would be a total of, wala ho palang nakalagay ng mga number kung ilan lahat, but this is medyo numerous po ito. And sa Annex A ho, sa Annex I, which is the Samuel Sami Uy payout to Sara Duterte and family, there are a total of 20 entries. So marami po sila na mga transactions. So that is all for me, because this is just a clarificatory questions. I just wanted that those clarified, particularly the confirmation. Very significant po yung pag-confirm ng lahat na randomly selected na entries.
Thank you, Honorable De Lima. Any other member who wishes to raise clarificatory questions? The Honorable Abante and then the Honorable Sendan.
Thank you,
Kumanan sa 190, San Guillermo.
Senator Trillanes.
Closer to the microphone, please.
Nabasa ko po yung salaysay ninyo at nahilo ako sa dami ng zero sa mga halagang binabanggit mo. Kaya gusto ko pong linawin natin para sa kaalaman ng mga ordinaryong Pilipino na napakarami po ang nakikinig at nanonood po ngayon. Sa Senator, binanggit po ninyo sa paragraph 23 at 24 na si Vice President Sara Duterte at ang kanyang pamilya ay tumanggap ng daang-daang milyong piso mula kay Samuel Sami Uy. Tama ho ito, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Naniniwala din po kayo na ito pong mga milyong-milyong pisong ito dahil ang pusang ang nagbigay po niya na si Sami Uy, galing po yan sa droga.
May
That's part of
aksidente
the
dun.
affidavit
Dumaan
of
tayo sa
dalawang
Bayan
motor.
at EDSA, North Quezon
Yes,
City.
yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you may proceed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Nakalagay po dito sa number 35 ng inyong salaysay ang mga
Manatili
transaksyon
sa kanan sa
pinansyal ni
CP
Sara
Garcia
Duterte
Avenue, North
at ng
Service
mga
Road.
malapit na miyembro ng kanya na nag-uugnay sa kanya kay Sami Uy at sa mga tinukoy na personalidad na sangkot sa droga o drug personalities ay lubhang nakababahala. Hindi lamang dahil ito ay malinaw na paglabag sa konstitusyon at sa iba't ibang batas ng bansa, kundi malinaw din itong naglalagay ng malalim na pagdududa sa kanyang personal na integridad at kakayahan o moral capacity upang patuloy na magsilbi bilang pangalawang Pangulo ng Pilipinas. Ito po ay nabanggit po ninyo na malinaw.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, ang sabi rin po dito, sinabi rin po ninyo
Paano
na
po?
may